Hello and welcome to Cooking with Mahtab. If you're looking for a vibrant, fragrant, and delicious jam that will brighten up your table and taste amazing alongside cakes and desserts, carrot jam is the perfect choice. As long as you follow all the key tips. Come along with me and let's make this beautiful, tasty jam together. To get started, you'll need 500 grams of carrots. Wash them well, trim off both ends, and peel them. A vegetable peeler makes removing all the carrot skins super easy. Using fresh, juicy carrots will really improve the quality of your jam. Once you've peeled all the carrots, go ahead and grate them. You can grate them with either the fine or coarse side of your grater, but if you use the fine side and grate in just one direction, you'll get a result just like store-bought jam. After grating all the carrots, put them into a suitable pot and saute them over medium-low heat for about 10 minutes to get rid of the raw taste. After 10 minutes, as you see in the video, add 1 glass, about 200 milliliters of water. Now increase the heat so the water in the pot comes to a boil. At this stage, add the sugar for your jam. For half a kilo of jam, add 300 grams of sugar. Because carrots are naturally sweet, using equal amounts of sugar can make the jam too sweet, but of course you can adjust it to your own taste. Now take 4 cardamom pods, pierce them with a fork or knife, and add them to the pot. You can use ground cardamom if you prefer. As soon as your jam starts bubbling around the edges, be sure to lower the heat. Put a lid on the pot and let it simmer on very low heat for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, your jam will be nearly done. It's really that simple. After the time is up, remove the cardamom pods. At this point, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of brewed saffron. This step is optional, but it gives your jam a gorgeous color. To make sure your jam is cooked perfectly, you can do a simple test. Spoon a little of the jam into a small bowl and place it in the freezer for 3 to 4 minutes so it cools quickly. Now add a tablespoon of rosewater for a wonderful fragrance and a tablespoon of lemon juice to help prevent mold and sugar crystallization. After 4 minutes, take the bowl out of the freezer. If the jam has a slightly stretchy, gel-like texture, it means it's the perfect consistency. Next, let the jam cook uncovered over medium heat for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. Let it cool down completely. Once it's fully cooled, pour your jam into a clean, grease-free jar. Make sure the jar is completely dry without even a drop of water so your jam won't mold. Keep the jar in the fridge and enjoy every bit of your delicious homemade jam. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me right to the end of this video. You can find all the free cookbook links in the bio. I would be delighted if you subscribe to and like my channel.